Power off the purifier. Unplug the power cable, release the fastener and take off the top cover. Take out the cartridge. Lie down the machine with the front side facing up. Remove the 6 screws on the bottom cover and take it off. Unplug the connection cable between the knob module and the main control board. Remove the 4 screws on the protective cover of the knob module and take it off. Remove the knob cap. Take off the nut and the spacer on the knob rod. Pull out the indicator. Remove the 2 screws on the middle plate to make it movable. Pull the connection cable through the space. Put the connection cable through the middle plate. Fasten the screws to fix the middle plate. Now put the indicator into the hole. Put the spacer and the nut back on the rod. Turn the rod anti-clockwise till the end. Put the knob cap back on with the arrow facing down. Put the protective cover of the knob module back on and fasten the 4 screws. Plug the connection cable to the main control board. Put the bottom cover back on and fasten the 6 screws. Put the cartridge back into the purifier and put the top cover back on. Fasten the cover. Replug the power cable and power on the purifier. Now it's done. You've replaced the knob module for xTool smoke purifier. We hope this video is helpful. Feel free to contact the xTool support team if you have any questions.